If your Ford Ranger with a 5.7 swap won't fire up, we need to look at both Ford and Chevy systems. Nearly half of all starting issues in swapped Rangers stem from improper wiring harness integration or poor grounding. Let's break down the diagnostic process to find exactly where the power is stopping. Start with the basics by verifying your battery voltage and ensuring your ground straps are making clean metal contact. Fuel delivery is a common culprit, especially the Ford inertia switch, which can trip and cut power to the pump. If it cranks but won't catch, check your crank sensor signal and ensure any anti-theft systems are properly bypassed. Determining if the engine is physically turning over will narrow your search to either the starting circuit or the firing system. Statistically, electrical connections are the primary reason these custom builds fail to start after sitting. Use a multimeter to perform a voltage drop test and confirm the starter is actually receiving the signal to engage. You can't fix what you can't measure, so keep a multimeter and a fuel pressure gauge handy for these checks. Remember that a clean ground is often the most overlooked part of any high-performance engine swap. Work through these steps methodically, and you'll have that 5.7 back on the road in no time.